Are you searching for a network marketing training course because you need more leads, more traffic, and more conversions for your current network marketing business? Hey my friend, my name is Justin Temple, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to actually succeed in your network marketing business and where to go for the best network marketing training course, okay? So in this video I'm going to share with you some tips, some strategies, and how I actually was able to succeed with my network marketing business. And I actually got started in network marketing at 16 years old and dropped out of high school to actually pursue the make money online, affiliate marketing, and network marketing industry. So I have been in this industry for about 10 years now, and I have been able to use this channel to generate free leads, free traffic, and free sales. So I'm going to share with you exactly how I do that and how I build my various businesses, okay? But first, again, I was 16 years old when I started network marketing, and I got started in a company that promoted digital education and audios. So I was not promoting lotions and physical stuff. I was actually promoting online digital education. So it was really high margin and everything like that. It was a blogging company that taught you how to get traffic from blogging. So that's where I very first got started in network marketing. And that company ended up going out of business and imploding like literally overnight. And so I learned very quickly that as much as I may love my network marketing business, as much as you may love your network marketing opportunity, they will go away. They will disappear. And you do need to learn how to build anything. So network marketing training courses, you need to find something that allows you to promote anything, okay? A lot of network marketing companies will, teach you either the same information as the last one, or they won't let you do marketing in a certain way. So you need to really understand how to promote anything. That's the biggest thing as a network marketer is you need traffic, leads, and conversions for whatever business you join. It doesn't matter, okay? So one of the best things to do is to make a unique funnel for your network marketing business, okay? So check this out. This is a unique capture page that I have created for my primary business, okay? Now, if you want to see the replicated page, hold on. Here is the replicated company page right here. Now, I did change it a little bit. I put the name field, I put orange button rather than blue, and I changed the font, and then I also added my picture and then some income proof down here and stuff. But without that stuff, this is basically the company page. So now I make personalized capture pages that are my own, and I'm able to build my own list for my network marketing company. And so because I build my own list, it actually makes it easier for me to follow up with the leads that are interested in my primary business. So now I have a tool called Aweber. So anytime someone puts their name and email into my capture page, their information goes into this tool, and from this tool I can literally send messages to these people, and I can set up campaigns so that they get automated emails. And for this list, you're actually going to get 61 emails in total. So it's actually like a month and a half of emails. So you're actually able to follow up with people and stay in front of them for weeks, months, and even years at a time with Aweber and tools that are similar. So this is stuff that is not taught inside of network marketing training because this is internet marketing. Network marketing is a really weird business model because the network marketing company is not a training company. Oftentimes, the network marketing company that you're a part of is a supplement company or a audio company or whatever, right? It's not a company that teaches and has products for lead generation, traffic generation, content creation. So network marketing is cool. It's great. It's a wonderful business model if you know how to market. Okay? So, but network marketing companies don't teach you how to market because they're not in the business of education. They're in the business of pumping out volume of their product. And so the easiest way for a company to teach you to market is to talk to friends and family, because they're not in the business of marketing education. So network marketing is by itself a very low-level education space. It's a lot of hype and mindset, but not a lot of marketing, traffic, leads, and conversion training. So what I like to do is, no matter what network marketing company, MLM, or affiliate marketing business I decide to promote, I follow the same structure and the same process to build all of them. So for example, let me show you exactly how I make money online and how I build my network marketing companies. So I have a YouTube channel that I post on, and I make simple videos about keywords. These videos go to my capture page, and then my capture page goes to this thank you page. So this thank you page is my #1 secret weapon to conversions. Okay, so I build my own funnel, but then I also have a secret weapon bridge video for conversions. Okay, and then I have some testimonials. So see, this is my own funnel for this program that I built, and I'm just piggybacking off of the program. Okay, so this page right here that you see up top is my own creation, and then right here is the company page. So using this funnel builder tool, I was actually able to put my information on top of the company's page. So really, really cool capabilities with the tools that I have and that I share with my team. But yeah, this is my bonuses and my thank you page that I send people to. So it converts really, really well. Okay, I'm going to show you how well it converts. So this is my bridge page, and I do give this away to my team members. I do give this away to anyone on my team, and you can go ahead and use this for yourself. Okay, so just, this is how I do it. Oh wait, let me show you the bottom. It's got my, never mind. All right, so that's my bridge page. So this bridge page goes to my network marketing business, or my affiliate offer, or what I'm promoting. So no matter what I do, even if I join Amway, I'm going to make my own capture page. I'm going to start with a YouTube channel and make videos about keywords in network marketing, Amway, and lead generation, and how to do stuff in network marketing, etc., just like I'm doing in this video. And then I'm going to send it to a capture page, and then that goes to just like this, and then it sends it to a bridge page. Okay, now this bridge page gives away a free bonus right here, and this goes to my primary business. Okay, so if I click on this button, I can send it to whatever business I want, and I can edit the page, whatever. It's not static. So here's my primary business. Boom, right? So then I use Aweber to follow up with these people. So if I go to my campaigns, I'll show you real quick here. So see these emails right here? So this is an email, and then I wait 5 minutes, and I send another email. So these emails right here, see all these? These all go out for people that have opted in to my list, okay? And I also give away all of these emails to you for joining my HBA team and for getting started with my all-in-one business. So it's a bonus on my team, okay? So it's explained on my thank you page right here. Right here, okay? So this is the bonus, and I explain that. So no matter what network marketing business I decide to join, I am going to actually build my own little funnel, capture page, bridge page, email series, and then I'm going to make some videos on those. Okay, so that's how to actually get traffic and leads for network marketing. Now, if you want to get help with how to do this, then I highly suggest you join my team for $25 a month, and you're going to get access to the HBA Funnel Builder Academy, which is going to be that funnel builder right here that I showed you that I use to build my pages. Now, the reason I choose this over other competitors is because it is the lowest price, okay, and you can build e-commerce stores, you can book appointments, you can build membership websites, you can build courses and trainings and sell your training courses with this funnel builder. You can actually build payment pages through Stripe and PayPal, etc. So you can get paid and make a payment gateway and sell your own products. If you wanted to sell a course on how to make shoes, you could use HBA Funnel Builder to do that. But we do like to focus on, the make money online network marketing industry. And so check this out. If we go here to page, Paul is one of the network marketing leaders here. And we actually have an MLM network marketing funnel. So check this out. Here's the thank you page right here. Whoops, this is a preview. Let me go ahead or no, I'm actually zoomed in. There we go. So here's the preview. Don't mean to be zoomed in. But yeah, let me go ahead and redo it for you real quick, because there's some animation. So with this funnel builder, you can actually animate your pages just like so, right? Really, really cool. And then we'll scroll down. So then you can click the button, and then when you click that button, it goes ahead and pops up this little name and email form. And then when you enter your name and email, Paul sends you to this 5-video series that teaches you how to succeed in network marketing. So you can actually take Paul's funnel for $25 a month and replicate it for yourself and use it for yourself. You can either just take Paul's, or you can take Paul's for now, and over the course of a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can start to remake these videos and start to redo, the colors and et cetera, right? You can start to redo some of these videos and make, just stick to the same topics, right? So light speed recruiting and the push button prospector. So there's really, really good videos in here for network marketing. And then it will lead into your primary business, right? So you can put a button there for whatever you want to promote. So if you're looking to succeed in network marketing, I am one of the best mentors to teach you how to get traffic and leads without having to struggle posting on Facebook, because that's what I used to do, and having to talk to friends and family and stuff. So for only $25 per month, you actually get the ability to build your own funnels, pages, and learn how to build affiliate marketing successfully and network marketing successfully. Now, you also are going to get 2 weeks of premium for free from the link below. Now, this is a very limited special time offer, so if you need traffic and leads, HBA Premium shows you how to get traffic and leads. So right here, we have YouTube ranking, and this is the #1 way that I actually get traffic by a YouTube channel. So I follow this YouTube ranking training for my YouTube channel, and I get free traffic, leads, and sales. So let me go and show my SamCart real quick before the timer runs out. This last 30 days has been $12.88 from this one income stream. And then my conversions for that thank you page are 7%. So most people get 1 to 2%. I'm up to 7%. So I can really teach you how to make money online. No income results guaranteed. Please understand that you will probably not make any money with any program. Refer to the income disclosure from the HBA right here. Okay, no results guaranteed. You'll probably make nothing, and if you buy anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. So refer to the income disclosure in the link below. But other than that, go ahead and click on justinleontemple.com, and I will see you on the inside, my friend. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.